Have you ever tried to buy something online only to see it marked as backordered? Let's clarify what that actually means for your wallet. A backorder simply means the retailer has sold out of an item, but they are expecting more inventory from their supplier soon. Stockouts are a major headache for retailers, and nearly half of shoppers will jump to a competitor if they see an item is unavailable. When you place a backorder, you are essentially pre-ordering. You secure your place in the queue, but you might have to wait for the shipment. Don't confuse a backorder with being out of stock. Backorder implies a future shipment is confirmed, while out of stock often means the future is uncertain. Wait times vary wildly. Small items might take a few days, while large furniture pieces can be backordered for over a month. Before you click order, check if you can cancel easily. Some retailers make it difficult once an item is marked as backordered. Understanding these status updates helps you manage your spending and expectations. Subscribe for more money basics and keep your budget on track.